Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to create the workspace. So how would I create the workspace? I'll just refresh this. Let me just close this because we have opened two tabs basically. So I will just refresh and I can go to the, after creating the resource group, I will go to the Azure Machine Learning. I'll click on here. Okay. So here I'll see the option plus button. So I can see the create. I'll click on create and I'll get two options in here. Okay, new workspace and new registry. Just click on this new workspace to create a workspace. Okay, now resource group which we had created just now in my previous video, we created RG demo. So I'm going to select that resource group, and under this resource group and this subscription, I'm going to create the workspace. Okay, so this workspace is, I'm going to just give some workspace demo. All right, or I can just keep it short, WS demo. Okay, makes sense, right? Now here reason you have to just remember, like you have chosen US East. Okay, so US East, what you had chosen, you can see the resource group. Okay, so whatever the location is there for the West US2, you have selected that. Okay, so that you can verify here in, just go to your portal.azure again and just verify like what was the reason in the resource group. Okay, so we are just cross checking once the location for the resource group. Okay. I'll just go to resource group once again to the manager, and this is that resource. So West US2, you can see, right? So this is the location you have to choose for your workspace. West US2, West US2. Just make sure this is that location. Okay, so you are going to create the workspace here in this region. Okay, once you have selected, it will be automatically selected. It will be new storage account, key vault, application, and this can be left as is, as default. We can leave all these fields as default. Just click on review and create, and this is what you have given. It is running the final validation before it creates the workspace. Validation is passed. It should be passed. Okay, then you have to click on create. So it is going to create the workspace. So while it is creating the workspace, you can see all these types, application insight, key vault, storage account, log analytics, workspace, everything is being created as a resource, right, for your inside your workspace. And this is the Microsoft Machine Learning Services. This is inside that. Okay, so you can see that WS demo. Now you can see after a minute is complete, right, you will see this notification that your workspace has been deployment is succeeded, and RG demo, that is the earlier one. And now when it is complete, it will say that your deployment is complete, and then you can go to the resource. Okay, so this is the workspace which we have created, WS demo, and inside this you will see launch studio option, right? So work with your models in Azure Machine Learning Studio. So you have to click here, and just before you click here, just make sure all these provisioning state is kind of succeeded. Okay, when it is succeeded, it will always tell you that this deployment was succeeded. And now next you will click on launch studio. So this will take you to the mlazure.com. okay, so this is that URL, and it is being redirected to that. Okay, mlazure.com, ml.azure.com. So next we will see like how to create the compute. Okay, in my next video in this playlist. Thank you.